Hello guys, I'm back with another YouTube video of Shoy Boutique. I hope everybody was fine all these days. I'll start off with the first sari and what the collection is all about. All about cotton saris again because it's summer right now, and I will show hand blocks on cotton sari. So the material of the first sari is tat, and this is a black and white in black and white concept. So this is the first sari of our video. I'll talk about the pallu first. This is the achal, where we have hand blocked small flowers with horizontal lines. This is how the sari has been arranged. The entire sari has been divided into panels, where it has got flower motif hand blocks and with horizontal lines. The entire sari's arrangement is like this. And trust me, it's a very soft sari, all day wear, very cool, very summer friendly. The entire arrangement goes like this. Once you wear the sari, we all know the beauty of the sari is when we wear it. So this is how your sari will look like once you drape it nicely and with all the makeups on. I'll talk about the upper yoke border. This sari doesn't have a separate border of its own. That is the reason we have put a border. The upper yoke is again going into checks with vertical lines and horizontal lines. The lower part of the sari is also in the same fashion. It's vertical and horizontal lines. Trust me, it's very summer friendly, very soft and all day wear sari, apt for professors, school teachers and office goers. This is our first sari. I will let you know the price of our first sari. The price is 2000 with 10% discount. Now, before I go on to our next sari, I will just let you know the communication number of ours, which is 9830322904. The address of our boutique is 113A Monohar Pukur Road, just beside Microlab Nursing Home and opposite to Shudesh Bhavan. You have to just type Shoy Boutique on your Google map and it will take you to your destination. I move on to the next sari, which is the second sari of the video. This is again on tat. And this sari has got a very, very, very thin border of its own. I'll talk about the pallu, the arrangement of the pallu. I'll show the arrangement of the pallu, which is gone in a flower, in a leaf motif, orange leaf and black zigzag motif. Talking about the upper yoke of the sari, it's black and orange, very, very, very thin border because there are many people who doesn't like broad borders. The arrangement of the sari has gone like this with black leaves and orange leaf, but on a gray base, which is highlighting all the colors. It's highlighting gray, black and orange, right? The arrangement has been done in such a way that the sari itself looks very elegant and it doesn't overlaps the other color. That is how the arrangement has been done. So every color is being separately highlighted. This is the whole sari. This is the arrangement of the sari. Just to let you know, these saris doesn't have a blouse piece of its own. So obviously you can wear it with black, you can wear it with orange to give it a nice contrast. And every sari, whatever I'll show you on this video, are customizable. So if you want something else on this same base, some other blocks, you can of course reach out to us. We are reachable on WhatsApp. We are reachable on Facebook Messenger, Instagram DMs, and as well you have got a comment section on YouTube as well. Sorry, I'll just let you know the price of this sari. I forgot. The price of the sari is 1800 with 10% discount. Moving on to the next sari of the video. This is our next sari with a beautiful combination of black, yellow and blue. I'll talk about the pallu first. This is the pallu, which has got a rickshaw, which is very famous in Calcutta. A rickshaw. This is a spiral motif. This is a brushing effect. All these are hand blocked and hand painted. This whatever brushing you see, that's hand painted. It's done on a white base, and again it's a tat, and it has got a very sleek yellow color satin border. This border is a satin border, but it's very sleek. The arrangement is done in such a way that it's again highlighting each and every blocks that has been done. It's very cool and very eye soothing colors has been used, because keeping in mind it's summers in India and everybody wants a soothing color and, you know, a very comfortable thing to wear. This is a half and half sari. The first half of the sari goes in this pattern. If I come to the second half, which is this is my second half of the sari, which is again in yellow brushing pattern. So this gives a nice look to the sari when we drape it. So once you drape the sari and your pleats come over here, this is how the sari will look like. When this design, this hand block falls on this brushing pattern, this gives a nice contrast and yet everything is so highlighted. So this is the third sari of the video, and the price of the sari is 2800, 10% discount. I'll just let you know the communication and the booking number once again, which is 9830322904. You just need to take a screenshot of the sari and send it through our WhatsApp. And our communication number is also the same. So if you want to customize your saris, you can always do that. Please send us your preferences. If you want to have the same hand block on different material, that is also possible. Going on to the next sari of ours, which is again a very emotional, we have used emotional things of Kolkata. This is a checked tat, and the blocks that we have done is, this is the pallu, is Howrah Bridge. Howrah Bridge, we all know about Howrah Bridge. It's a emotion to all people in India, and especially for Bengalis. If I come to the body of the sari, now this window that you see is of ancestral ages, it's very antique now. Even this hand-pulled rickshaw, these are very rare in Calcutta now also. And these are very antique, very nostalgic. We have so many memories attached to it. So this is the entire look of the sari. This is how the entire arrangement has been done. So all these saris, you just need to wear it to see how it comes out, This is the entire look. So if I talk about the upper York border, it's Howrah Bridge. The lower border is also Howrah Bridge, and the entire sari's pattern is this. The price of this sari is 2200, 10% discount. 2200, 10% off. Lastly, I would talk about the sari that I am wearing. This is red, white and black, the best combination anybody can think of. If I talk about the pallu, you see it has got a red panel, again with a red zigzag, a red panel, a white zigzag and cards. So we all love to play cards. That is what we have depicted on the sari, the cards block. This is how the entire pattern is all about. It's going in the same pattern. We have got a zigzag, a solid block, a solid panel, and then again the cards. This is how the sari is. And we do need red and white combinations with a touch of black for any occasion, right? The price of this sari is 2,000 and it's 10% off. Just to remind you of the address of our store, it's 113A Monohar Pukur Road, just beside Microlab Nursing Home and just opposite to Shudesh Bhavan. Or else you type Shoei Boutique on your Google map and it will take you to our destination. And to get videos of our boutique on a regular manner, what you have to do is you need to like, subscribe and click on the bell button. Thank you so much. Stay well. Bye-bye.